Hi guys, it's Marky Mouse. We are at the Pop Century. Just wanted to give you a quick tour of the room. Here's the bed. Just hopping in, we just got back from Epcot. A little tired now, but this is a bed that comes down, so you have an extra bed. There's Eva Loves Disney. Say hi, Eva.
Let's see how
We
this
celebrated
works.
her birthday today. We had her birthday dinner at the Garden Grill at Epcot. It was great. And we did ride the Skyliner on the way back from Epcot. So
Let's see how this works.
no driving. Oh, you're gonna do that now? Oh wow. It's coming down.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness.
So now we have two beds. Oh my god. Wow, look at that. We gotta try this.
Is it comfortable? Where's the other one?
I don't know, I gotta lay down on it to check. You know, like try it out really good. This one is really comfortable. They gave us a ton of pillows. We didn't ask for extra pillows. That's how many they give you. A ton of pillows. A nice TV. What do we have over there, babe? Coffee machine?
Coffee machine, a refrigerator.
Refrigerator, coffee machine. And here's our view. You can see the pool
Oh,
out there.
and look at this. Look, guys.
What do you have?
Here's all the coffee. We've got Joffrey's, which is the good stuff. We've got Coffee Mate, some sugars, some tea.
I don't know if I'm pointing the right way because I don't have the
Very nice.
I don't have the camera reversed, but
There you go.
all right, and we have nice TV here, giant TV. They let you take this. It says your take along guide. So cool thing. Little Mickey book here with a guide to Disney World. So something I don't have. Be taking that for my collection. And we stayed here before they remodeled the resort, so it looks totally different now. Totally different. Look at now it's a sliding door here. It's like a soft closed door. Just closes by itself. And you open it, and it's a soft close or soft open. Here's the bathrooms, pretty nice. Really nice glass doors. This is also a sliding door here in the bathroom. They give you plenty of storage area. Pretty nice space here. Cabinets, lots of lighting. And you have the ironing board there. They provide, things have changed. They provide these H2O brand, Disney brand, and dispensers for the shower. Look at the nice shower head. Really nice. I'm gonna take a nice shower now. It's been a nice day. We rode the Skyliner to Epcot. There are no buses to there are no buses to Epcot here at this resort. You can take the bus to other places, but to Epcot, you gotta ride the Skyliner. And
It's a little windy today, so it's a little rocky.
it's nice. It always swings. It's like a thrill ride. Let me tell you, the Skyliner is a thrill ride. I did record it, but it's really dark now. We stayed at the park till like, what time was it? Like 10?
Yeah.
I think it was almost 10 because they closed the Skyliner at 10. So we made
got
it
on right
onto it.
before.
It was pretty much just a few people riding it. So we rode all the way from Epcot to Pop Century. It's a long ride. It's pretty cool. You get to pass through one of the other resorts, and then you head to a station where you switch to another gondola and ride from there to Pop Century. So it's a fun ride, actually. It's pretty fun. And we were able to get 2 of the clear cars at night. In the daytime, we couldn't get one. We rode in the dark ones that you can't see well outside. I tried to film, but you can barely see. But I did film. I did shoot film, and I shot some film now. So it's really dark, but you can probably see some things where there's more light. That's where you see. So that was pretty cool. So that's it, guys. We just wanted to show you the room. Eva's gonna make some videos for her channel. She had a little shopping spree. She went into Mouse Gears and had some fun. We all went in there and we were buying a bunch of stuff. So this bag is full of goodies. She's gonna do a little video showing off her goodies. So if you want to visit her channel, see some of that stuff that she bought, some of the cool Mickey items she got, or Disney items, go to Eva Loves Disney channel. I mean, Eva Loves Disney altogether. That's her channel. All right, everybody, before we sign off here, I'm gonna give you a little tour of the pool area here at night. And we'll check out the daytime pool, what it looks like in the daytime, and we'll walk around a little bit, show you some of the other buildings here at the Pop Century. Here are the pool hours. Like I probably said before, we were staying right across from the pool with pool view, and our area here is called the 60s decade. The Pop Century celebrates the decades from the 50s all the way to the 90s. So you will be in one of those sections, and you can ask for a preferred pool view. You do have to pay a premium for that, but it's worth it. I love being right in front of the pool there. If you want a more quiet room where you don't hear any noise, don't ask for the pool view. They also have a really big quiet pool way in the back. I show that in one of my previous videos. Here I am going to check out the water. There was a giant cloud overhead. All of a sudden it got a little dark, but the cloud moved pretty fast and I was in the water swimming. The water is amazing. The pool area is great. We spent half a day after the night before we were at Epcot. We spent half a day at the pool, then we headed to Magic Kingdom. It was really cool. Now we're walking around Pop Century. There's this beautiful Goofy here with the surfboard. This is right by the courtyard where the food area is, and the pool is just like on the very other side. And then as you walk around, you head into the 70s area. And they have the game of Twister. In one of my previous videos, you will see Eva and me playing some Twister, just having fun and being funny. And as you walk around, you will see throughout the 70s area the giant Big Wheel. If you lived throughout the 70s, you'll remember Big Wheel. This sculpture is amazing. It's enormous. When you stand by it, it's just incredible. You're gonna want to take your picture there for sure. So much fun. And right now I'm standing in a field, a giant foosball field with all the foosball players. There's a giant ball on the side. I walked through all that. It was so fun. Really cool. Really cool. I loved it. And opposite of the Big Wheel is something even cooler. I'm facing it. There it is. As I turn around, you can see him. It's the Mickey Mouse telephone from the 70s. I'm sure some of you must have had it on your nightstand. So I did go up. It's 4 stories high. I went up to the 4th story in that building, even though we're not staying there. Just went up the elevator just to take a little footage for you so you can see how it looks from the top area. Here I'm standing right in front of it. It looks ginormous, guys. So much fun. Lots of really cool things that remind you of the 70s, the 60s area the same way. Here's another view, and now I head up to the top, and here you can see how it looks when you're up there. He's 4 stories high. Amazing. What a great sculpture of Mickey Mouse. And here, every building or every decade has the different sayings that you would hear in those decades. So here you see the word polyester, disco, things like that. I did film a lot through the resort. I'm not going to show it all now. But if you head back and check out some of my other videos, you will see Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. You will see giant 8-tracks. You will see a computer, a laptop, giant size. I filmed a bunch of stuff. Alright guys, thank you for hanging out. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.